Hey guys, today I'm gonna be showing you the 2018 Saved by the Bell Complete Collection. So here it is here. It has 118 episodes from all three series. It comes with Good Morning Miss Bliss, comes with Saved by the Bell seasons 1 to 4, has the college years, both movies, and interviews and a documentary, and it was $49.99 Canadian. Yeah, so this is the side. This is the back. I'll pause it here so you could read it. So special features include new documentaries, making Saved by the Bell, and Bayside's greatest hits, the music of Saved by the Bell, and yeah, photo galleries, lots of cool stuff. Here's the front. So let's crack it open, because I know that's my favorite part. Breaking the seal. Fresh scent. Okay, so let's open this up and I'll show you what you get. There's the inside of the box, just empty. Okay, so first of all, it comes with this cool Saved by the Bell Complete Series guide. So it basically just tells you, you know, all the episodes. It gives you a review of the episodes. And yeah, it's really actually cool. It's a cool little bonus. Then we have Saved by the Bell, the college years and the movies, plus bonus material. So there's what it comes with. And here's the inside. Okay, and it comes with, this is Good Morning Miss Bliss, which is the, I guess, the pilot show before they changed it to Saved by the Bell. Oh. And here's this. This I think is 11 episodes or 12. Here's the back. And then it has season 1 and 2. I like the graphics. Looks like all 80s, 90s style. And here's the inside of season 1 and season 2. And here is Saved by the Bell season 3 and 4. Now they did have DVDs that came with season 5, but there actually is no season 5. So I think they just put Miss Bliss in another season, but it's really not a season. And then here's the inside. Disc 1 of season 3, disc 2, disc 3, and season 4. And season 4. So there it is. The good thing about this set is that everything is in proper order compared to the other ones. The other ones are not in the right order. All the episodes are in a better order than what they came in the other sets. So you can actually understand it, and it really goes in order of things that happen in the show. Yeah, so if you want to pick this up, there's a link below in my Amazon. I'd appreciate it if you're thinking of buying it. I'll save you the best price online. Again, my price, this was for Canadian, so it should be similar US prices. Thanks guys, and please subscribe for more cool reviews, how-tos, and all kinds of cool stuff. Peace guys.